Hello, and we are celebrating Halloween with USA Pears. Pears make the perfect showcase item for a grazing board. They are so perfect. In fact, we've actually teamed up with our brand partners at USA Pears, and we're going to celebrate this year's pear season with an entire free downloadable, think of it like a mini cookbook, all right? And it's all sorts of grazing boards and wonderful inspiration for you to entertain at home for kids with pears. So my kids love pears. Most of the parents that I talk to, it's like pears are truly one of our kids. Typically, it's one of their very first foods. They're really popular both in baby food purees, and then also when our kids start eating solid foods, it's one of the very first fruits from the produce department that kids enjoy. So love celebrating pears in ways that are intended for kids. So while my friends and I would love this grazing board, this is really meant for a family-friendly or a kid Halloween party. We've got all sorts of fun, iconic trick-or-treats on here. No tricks, just treats. And we're using the Bartlett pears. Bartlett pears are these beautiful pears that ripen to this nice gold yellow color. And then we also have Boss pears, another wonderful pear that's in season now. As a reminder, when you are choosing pears and you're bringing them home, oftentimes at the grocery store, they're not quite ready to eat. Pears often need to actually ripen at room temperature in your fruit bowl or on your countertop for a couple days before they're ready. So to know that your pear is ready, you simply just check the neck. So you check the neck by putting your thumb against the neck of the pear, and when it yields to slight pressure, that's when you know that pear is ripe and juicy and ready to eat. So today on this grazing board, we did some fresh sliced Bartlett pears and Boss pears. We've got all sorts of really fun treats. We've got popcorn balls, we've got crackers, cheeses, little salamis, and there's so many fun, like iconic little foods and fun shapes to help celebrate Halloween. Speaking of fun shapes, something that you can, little fun tip here, these are just slices of cheese, and we used our cookie cutter to cut these cheeses into, this is Gouda, into a cat shape, or we use Swiss cheese here for the ghost. So that's a really fun way to, kind of elevate your grazing board for whatever holiday you're celebrating, and certainly perfect for Halloween. So from everyone at the Produce Moms and USA Pears, pears are in season now. We wish you a happy Halloween. USA Pears, that is nature's treat to you, me, and all of the kids this Halloween season. So celebrate Halloween with pears. Celebrate every day with pears. Take care and happy Halloween.